generation. But we just call it surviving the fire.
It's heavy, it's messy, it's the only life we know. Trying to find the logic while the city starts to glow. From the factory floor to the rooftop, neon glass, watching the ghosts of the Motor City pass. No manual included, no easy way out, just a name and a neighborhood to scream about. Everything here is assembly required. Hits the floor, searching for the rhythm through a heavy metal door. Unquantized soul, moving through the dark, trying to catch a fire from a robotic spark. The king is in the office waiting for the crown to slip. The anchors in the grease never let the lolly trip. The players on the roof finessing every single line. The creator in the bunker, he says I'ma make it all mine. The architect, the hustler, the man on the line, with the pieces of a